Hello, I'm at PyCon Lithuania. Let's see who's here.
Well, my name is Juan. I work as software engineer and developer relations engineer at Canonical, the company behind Ubuntu, and I'm passionate about the Python programming language and tech communities.
I'm Piotr Migdał. I work in Warsaw at Heitzmann, and what we do is we create challenging tasks for AI.
I'm Christian. I'm from Switzerland. I'm self-employed in Switzerland with my own little company where I do software development in Java and Python and offer all services regarding software documentation.
Do you use AI to code? And if you do, how do you use it?
So I use it for some very specific uses, for example, for throwaway code when I don't bother writing some quick experiment or something like this. And also I use it sometimes when I have a very clear idea of what do I want to implement, but I try very hard to not depend on it just so that my software engineering skills remain fresh.
Well, I use daily, so like many hours a day, and in various ways, for everything, for both work, but also for fun. And usually I use Cloud Code or Cursor with various models, and it's about any stages, so both from learning about code, for creating code, for reviewing code, and treating it mostly like a tool for collaboration with others as well.
Well, I'm actually older than I look like, and I learned programming the conventional way since I was a little kid, around 12 years old or so. So I've been doing programming for around 30 years. I tried AI a little bit, but just do some prompting on ChatGPT. But yeah, I still prefer the hard, conventional way.
Do you think AI is good for beginner, and why is it?
Well, it depends. In the sense that if you just write a prompt and create code, you can create something, but you don't learn anything, right? So in that sense, if your goal is to accomplish something, it makes sense, but not for learning. But at the same time, for me, AI is wonderful for learning anything. But that way you need to ask a lot of questions. Not only get solutions, but to ask questions. So each day I spend a lot also asking questions. Here actually I like a lot Gemini. And it's I think it's the most insightful. And the funny thing here is that you can always get examples tailored to you.
I think AI has the potential of being very good or very bad, and for beginners, I think it's very important that they know when they are outsourcing their thinking to the LLMs so that they can avoid it, because with LLMs you can get a lot done, but also it's very easy to get something done that you don't understand how it works. So I think it's really important to embrace the grind and the manual work, especially at the initial stages when you're learning, and resort to AI in specific cases, or to use it to explain to you in a lot of detail what is going on.
I think it's a very bad idea for beginners to use AI. I also worked as a teacher for universities, so for more than 10 years, teaching students how to program. I stopped doing teaching when AI came up, but I hear from other people who still do teaching that it has a very big impact on how they really perform. So as soon as the internet is down or the AI services are down, they can no longer answer any questions during class. But once the services are running, they can answer everything. So I strongly believe that it has a very bad impact if you no longer learn the fundamentals by yourself, with your own brain, with your own fingers of doing programming.
So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cool, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.